welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be going to Uncle Mark's pet shop. It is called the Parrots of the World. You should go check it out. It's really fun to go there. He has he has dogs, he got parrots, he has other animals there too. Guys, other animals there too. Also, he used to be on a television show, which was really fun to watch, and he is my dad's old friend, and he's my dad's mentor for falconry. So I am so excited to go see him. It's so exciting and it's so much fun. I can't wait to go see him. It's been a while, so this is going to be a fun trip, and I can't wait until you guys come along with me to meet him. So see you guys then, alright? See ya! Right now, I am going to Uncle Mark's. I'm really excited. I haven't been there in a while, so this is going to be a fun trip. Sorry about the noise. I'm in the highway, so that's why the noise is so loud right now, and the wind's like hitting towards us. So yeah, anyways, I'm really excited. I can't wait to go to Uncle Mark's. I used to go there when I was little. He had all these other animals there. He used to have an owl. I wonder if it's still there. I haven't seen him in a while, so this is going to be a fun trip. Also, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for all those comments that came in. That was really nice. Guys, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I put in a lot of effort into them. They take some time, and yeah. So it's really fun to make them too, and I'm happy you guys enjoy them, and it's really rewarding to show you my pets, and I'm happy I'm sharing them with you, and then you get to see them. Got all this light on me. There. So I get to see them. So it's pretty exciting that you guys watch it, and I'm really happy you guys do, because it really makes me happy. I get to show you all my pets, and it's really fun. So I want to say thank you for you guys to watch my videos. That's kind of my award when you guys watch it. I get really hyped up, and it makes me want to make more videos. Also, I had 3 baby snakes sold to one of my subscribers, so I want to say thank you for reaching out to us. Really, I am. I'm excited. We're here, and now we're gonna go inside. So see you then. Or actually, let's take you in. Come with me, guys. Come with me. Oh, God. What a tortoise? Oh my God. Where's Uncle Mark?
Behind the counter.
Oh, okay. I want to go say hi. I will go say hi. Oh. What is this? This is a tegu. It's like a squirrel, but it's not exactly. They live on the ground. Come on. Oh. Oh, you're so cute. Bye. But really cute and adorable. Oh, I don't want you to get out. If you guys want to buy things for your birds, you could get them here. You could get like cute things like a little playground for them. Of course, their cages, because first book. Got other things here, but you could put your guinea pigs in here, or any little small rodent. Bunny, you might need a little bigger one, depending on the size of your bunny. Then you could also buy cages, other things, and then a lot of bird toys, of course. So all of these bird things. Okay, so you can see that there are pretty colors on them. You could also buy them, and they're like swings for your birds. Also, you can buy this, which is also for your bird, and they eat out of this. They would sit on this, of course. And then there's other bird boys. Look, and some of them are some of them are really big, and some of them for also small birds as well, not only for big birds. And it's pretty awesome. But yeah, also there's food here, lots of it you can see, and you can buy them for any bird you're getting, like a cockatoo or a parrot. So they're nice birds you can get here. You guys want to say something? I guess they can talk, right? You want to talk? Okay. So are you enjoying your time here at Uncle Mark's pet shop? Are you excited to go to a home? Oh, okay. I see. You're not much of a talker, are you? That's adorable, right? Hey, you having a good time? Having a good time? You like staying at Uncle Mark's pet shop? Okay. I'll talk to you later then. Bye. Do you want to talk too? I mean, we're asking everyone, so you want to talk too, sir? No, it's a talking device, not an eating device. You want to talk? You want to say something? No? Oh, okay. Oh, well, they were talking. I guess not. Let's talk.
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Say it again. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hi. Can you say bye?
Oh, you said that too. You said hello too?
Can you say bye?
Yeah, sometimes.
Hello. Hi.
Oh my God.
What up?
Why are you both? You know, when we look him and then
Hello. Hello.
when you ignore him, and then he will tell you. Very cute.
Hi. Hey.
They're not going to bite you if they hurt you. If they want you to hurt you. You want to hurt them.
Hello. 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 Sorry. Well, I'm going to show you some different noises of the birds. They're doing it everywhere. It's adorable. All right.
This is Harry. I've known him for 40 years. And this is Anaya. I've known her since she was born because I've been very good friends with her father, Fazil, for the last 25 years.
Thank you, Uncle Mark. I can't wait to come back, but when you're not busy.
Okay, so me and Harry will be here for you.
Got it.